Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Martin Gutierrez, and in this video I want to make a little video on how to use Canva. Canva is a website where you can make free thumbnails and pretty much wallpapers for any of your social media that you want to post it on and not want to pay for something like Photoshop or other software tools. For Canva, we have to go into it. I'm already logged in since I use this pretty much every day that I need to post something. I'm logged into my personal account. This is the main page, homepage. You click on more to see what is recommended. This is the thing that people use the most. Social media posts, Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, all of this, it's already fixed at the right dimension for you to just take it, put a picture in, caption it, and use it. All of this is also free, so you won't get copyrighted because it's not good, obviously. Social media, YouTube heading, thumbnails, is one of the ones I use the most. Facebook cover, event cover, Etsy, ad, Facebook ad. So let's try to make a thumbnail and show you how that works. Thumbnail. When you click on it, you're gonna have all of this on the side, the layouts. As you can see right here, it's got free. All of these ones are free. There are some that are paid, like this one is. You see this little dollar sign right there. And no, not the monetization sign, it's the pay money sign from Canva. They can't have everything free now, can they? So as you can see, let's choose a random one. This one looks cool. It's free, never mind. Free. Okay, let's see free. That looks like the ocean. So here, you can customize it to write. Yeah, let's write Majima, of course, because that's the thing. My birthday. Sure. You can change the font of anything here. You can change again. So you can play around with it. You can also change the font size, the color. You see? Spacing, arrange, copy, delete. It's gonna delete this little square, so you won't have that anymore. Then you can go to elements. This is where you can add free photos. Obviously, all of this you can add in. I don't really use any of this, because I don't see, and they look a little bit too obvious that it's free. You want to show people that you have valuable resources, pretty much. But if you add something like a frame, this frame, that looks like you just came out of a Mario Kart game or something. So no, now we can delete that. Delete element. See? Grid, same thing. I mean, the one good thing about grid is that this is already in different dimensions, so you can put a picture right here, right here, right here, and here, and not have to separate it yourself because it's already separated. But that's not what we're trying to do. This is a YouTube thumbnail. So let's add some text because we don't like this for some reason. So let's delete this text and scroll down. For the most part, it's all the same. There's just very small differences, but that's just, it can be seen in the font over here. You can choose any font. Let's choose a fancy looking font. Like this one. Okay. Best YouTube thumbnail. Well, I change the color to white because it's in a dark background. And this is going to be 50 for fancy sake. Let's give it this thing. Right there. There's YouTube thumbnail. There. So here you can add more words or something, or change the background. The background also looks a little bit unprofessional. When you do something like both of this, then it looks like you do have a PowerPoint to school or something. Oh, that is already a background, which is this ocean wave looking thing, but you can't see this. Okay, so pretend this ocean waves are here. This square color will be all over here. One that I have used before, so that looked pretty okay, was I'll use this one. It's because of the color. As you can see, you can also pay $1. I mean, you're not gonna go broke from spending $1, but that's $1 you can spend and save on advertising or testing products for Shopify, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, everything else. Upload. Here is where you can upload your own image from your computer. So let's pretend to color my picture. Here you can just go through your thing. You go through your computer, whatever you want to put in here. Make sure to save your picture before so you can have it ready. It's gonna appear here, and then say this pops up awkwardly enough. Take that away because you don't want to see that. This is my first video. So, okay, and yes, this was a real product. Make it a background. No, we don't want to add a new page. So this could also be a thumbnail. So from there on, you just go and download it. I always do this, recommend it, so why wouldn't you? YouTube accepts it as a viable thumbnail. So, it's gonna download. Let's download it. It's gonna be. I always like to do a quote photo. Sometimes it downloads too fast for me to read. And then I'm like, I wonder what it says. But I mean, oh well. Yeah, I'm holding on tight. Can't wait for my design. Probably because of. Oh. Awkward wait. Should be done downloading. No, oh my god, it's got a little bit left. Okay, so this, after it's downloaded, you can just open it and save it somewhere. It's gonna be in the download file, obviously. Go to YouTube, just pop it in there, and you're gonna be done. It's really simple to use Canva, and like I said, it's free, which is something that I'm sure everybody can benefit on, because free is good. Might be better, but it's good. You don't want to have to pay except for Shopify, Photoshop, or Sony Vegas, or like editing, anything. This is definitely worth checking out. Of course, there are other places where you can make thumbnails, edit photos, and if you're on your phone and you want to upload a quick video to YouTube, this might not be something that you would do because you can't do this on your phone, obviously. But you can take the video, save it, and go home, put it in your computer, make it. So again, a quick little thumbnail. They should have definitely downloaded. I think it's on internet that's like. But yeah, put it in your computer, then make a thumbnail like we just did with the text, layouts, and any background even if you want. Make one. Let's crop the picture. Let's not crop the picture because good. So this will make a very easy thumbnail. This I use Canva. You of course can order print if you want to spend money and get like actual printout designs. Share it around for people to see. Make a blog ready. Which I never do kinda because it's mine. I use them all. But yeah, this is how you use Canva. A really easy way to make free YouTube thumbnails, Facebook thumbnails, anything of that sort that you need to post on your social media. I hope this video was helpful in any way. If anybody had a question on how to use Canva, then it's fairly self-explanatory once you have used it a few times. But I just figure some people might need help using this or just browsing around. So I think I just make a video on it. And if you, of course, like the video and help you in any way, make sure to like this video. Really helps out. Comment what you think. How many do you use Canva or do you use something else? Is there an even better way that you found about making videos or making thumbnails for anything? And yeah, just comment down below what you think. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed because I'm trying to make videos as much as I can. But with some other businesses I've got, it takes up a little bit of time. And yeah, with that, I guess I'll see you guys next time.